I'm working now on doing the base. As you see here, I put traffic band, 3/4 traffic band. I like this traffic band because, you know, it's kind of stronger. It's got racks on it. It's not like powder or the other traffic band. And as you guys see, I was here on Saturday excavating. My son helped me a little bit on Saturday. He's gonna show up here Monday. Today, Monday, like after work, he'll be here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to do the base. The way I do it is just set up the blocks. And then, you know, I basically with my level, approximately kind of level, I make sure it is, and just set up the block, feeling that it's equal, every one of them. And I would like to tap it with the 2x4, you know, just to be even, make sure it's even, you know. And yeah, I'm almost done with the roll. Right here is gonna be the corner, the end of the wall, and going that way. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you in a bit. Hi, you guys. I'm still working here on this wall. I'm gonna do the second layer on this wall. I'm kind of ready to put the washing gravel, like it's number one stone gravel. They call it wash stone. And yeah, I put my corner and it's ready to go. This is nice. Really good. We're doing some progress this morning. It is Monday, but it goes really good. It goes well. Okay. All right. I'm in the second layer. And as you guys see, I put a straight line. I put one block there and I put another block on the other end. So that way I can put my blocks and the straight line is gonna be my guide. So that's why I like it like that, because you really can miss. I don't know if it's straight or not. And it's kind of, for me, to do this way is much better and perfect. Just follow the line and try to put the block and then make sure the block sits and clean surface. You don't want no dirt or gravel. And yeah, this is great. One block there, one block over there, one block each end, straight line, and just follow the straight line. I think that's easy and perfect. I mean, when I set my base, I use the straight line as well. So that way the wall, it's straight and straight up. It's sunny right now. It's a nice day. Usually it's a really nice day. We in fall. We kind of at the end of the month. We are in the 29th today. Tomorrow is the last day, is the 30th September. So after tonight, one more day will be October. And this weather is nice. I remember last year it was kind of cool. You know, I was working for Brian doing concrete. It was kind of cold. And as you guys see, this wood was there before. But before this can happen, they put a wall, a cinder block wall. That's what I find out, because I got the big chunks of concrete, and they put this one in front of it. So right now, I mean, that's better for the customers, you know, it's got gonna be clean gravel and clean dirt, which is, it's just better for the wall, because you need space for drainage. That's what I like it. That's what I like this type of jobs. I like to be outside. It's cool. Okay, so we're gonna roll with the second row. Yeah, we're filling it up, putting some gravel on the block for drainage. This gravel keeps the wall safe, so doesn't go forward again or whatever. Keep the pressure because the gravel is doing the work that just bleeding and bleed that water. I'm sorry guys if I use another words, but yeah. Rock and roll. All right, you can see guys, I put the drain tile for drainage, put it right in the back of the wall. They gotta have the sock on it, and usually I did two out, two outlet, so to be available to breathe. Some guys said that I don't have to do this because nothing coming out of there, but I I think this obviously they put it for some reason, you know, and it's like I think all the water is coming right to the wall, and just the drain tile grabs the water and just come out. That's why it's got like a perf drain tile. So yeah, I'm on the second row. There's another one here, and I'll be putting the third row. My son is coming to help me later. He say he's gonna get out from work, and I enjoy doing this. I mean, I'm working with myself. Usually Mike was here earlier to video recording, but I enjoy it. I have the whole week, so I just take it little by little, slow. Is that okay for me? And yeah, this is awesome. Got some gravel there, and I'm gonna fill in those holes with the shovel. And we go from there. Yeah. I really like to put the gravel, or at least two layers. If you, I've seen those guys that they put like 4 or 5, and then they just put all the gravel. The gravel is not gonna feel in there. So yeah, yeah. My brother-in-law, his name is Miguel. He's gonna pick up all this.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Yeah,
That was really ratted.
he's gonna throw it away. He's got a big truck too.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
I saw the son walking from there.
Oh, yeah.
I thought he can help me out. I said no way.
You did? He went running.
Maybe the other one. He said maybe my other brother can help you, not me.
Really?
Step up.
Just be a hill coming down.
Yeah. Just follow the grade.
Yeah. Okay.
Make no sense to put another one, wall in the middle. It make no sense.
What about that corner over there? Did that work out okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I took the big chunk of concrete. That's what I took out. I took a lot already.
Lots of concrete that we didn't know.
It's like cinder blocks with
Yeah.
concrete.
So do you think there was a wall and then they put
Yeah.
another one after it?
Yeah.
How long have you been
15 years?
here?
Yeah. Hello. How you guys doing? We doing the third row. My son just got here, and yeah, we're doing the third row with wash stone, and looks pretty straight.
Hace completamente el line up.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, así.
Sí,
Okay.
está bro. Ahí. Está bien.
Okay. Beautiful.
No sé si poner otra esquina aquí, mijo. Mejor quitamos y ponemos un corner.
Okay.
Quita ese, mijo.
Okay. Oh, ya tienen el square.
Sí,
Oh,
está mejor. Para estar aquí, no me gusta estar ahí nomás.
yeah. Entonces,
A ver, mijo.
no.
Me digo. Yo creo que
¿Cómo así o?
no. Esto con esto, mijo. Bien lined up
Oh.
con eso. A ver, fíjate. Yo creo que sí. Más.
Oh.
No, 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 está bien. Eso tiene que line up.
Oh.
Vale. Oh, ve. Pues vemos ahí. Mira. La distancia, ¿cuánto es? Yo creo que es. Hi guys, I hope you guys are well. This is my second video. We put like the first row on the base, and then in the second I put the drainage pipe, which they call it drain tile, to drain, the water. And my son came up after his job in the afternoon and he helps me, which is very nice to him. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Yes, sir!